Hi guys, it's me, Pigcrafters. We're back with another video, and we're doing another storm video. It's kind of been a while since I talked about weather, so sorry about that. We've been doing a lot of cookie clicker. Yeah, cookie clicker. See, still running the background there. I'm still trying to figure out what that is, but this is not a cookie clicker video. This is a weather video, and we're gonna get straight to the point. So we're gonna be talking about this new cyclone, which is a Category 2. There's a Cyclone Vayu with sustained winds over 109 miles an hour. And it might make landfall sometime this week or maybe on Monday next week or who knows. So what we're going to do now is we are going to see something about it on Tropical Tidbits. Tropical Tidbits? I don't know. But we're going to check it on there. We're going to see. Alright, let's change the region because the region matters. We'll do this Indian Ocean. Uh-oh, not T-Series land. That T-Series thing's dead. T-Series suck. Anyway, as you can see, this little swirly thing right here, that is Vayu, currently 109 mile an hour storm, Category 2. Get out of here! And if you can see right there how Vayu is going to be making landfall. Maybe in a few days, actually. This might make landfall on June 14th, which is 3 days from now. So this could make landfall 3 days from now, as you can see, Vayu right there. Making landfall now. And also another thing here. That Vayu. Alright, that's Vayu. Currently being that cyclone. As you can see, it travels up. You can see how it tries to make landfall on that island right there. It does make landfall, and then it starts to travel north. And then it slowly dies out on June 17th. Because it's been on land for so long. As you can see, it's there dying. We'll check some more models. We'll try to check. You can try to check the HWRF model. This model right here shows Vayu. You guys can see Vayu right there. Vayu started off right here on June 11th. Then this is where it's at now. And slowly starting to move up on land. This is another model. And then it moves off into India as probably a remnant low, or it's probably could be already dead by then if it hasn't already. See, that might be it as like a tropical storm right there, and then tropical depression, and then remnant low, and then it just moves off. So that's just a model. Anything can happen. Just like some of these models that I'm about to show you. Just a second. Okay, and here are some other models, as you can see. As you can see right here. The winds on this one. See, this storm has kind of been changing a few because, as you can see, 4 hours ago at June 11th at 8 p.m., this had winds over 98 miles an hour. And now, as you can see, 8 hours from now, it could still have that. And then it could start to weaken as it goes on land. But guys, I gotta say this. this might not make landfall, but there has been a bunch of models saying, see, you see my cursor right here? Here's what some of the models are saying, like it will go like up here, which is kind of what one of the HWRF models said in the tropical tidbits. Or I could do this, so you can see my cursor, and then it could go straight into Africa unneeded. But that's a very unlikely model from the AP17 model, whatever. Or that could be another model, but luckily it's probably, I don't know. Guys, this probably will have either a hit or miss landfall because, as you can see, it's like on the edge right there. So it's like on the edge, so it's on the tippy edge of. It's on the tippy edge of the Korea. I don't know. That is so weird. But we do know that it could be a hit or miss landfall, or like it could miss a landfall, or it could actually hit some part of it. But anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll be updating this in a couple of hours, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out for some more cookie clicker weather, gaming, whatever you want. Maybe even more pit crackers because this is what the channel is called. But anyway, without that filler, peace out, guys. Have a nice day.